Hello students, today we will discuss about basic structure of the C programs, means about components of the C programs which are used to write a C program. First one is the documentation section, second one is the preprocessor section, documentation. Second one is header file. Third one is definition. Fourth one is global declaration. And finally, last one is user defined function. Now, we will suppose you have to write two numbers. Then first line is of this program should be documentation. Means this documentation so in this then at first we will write in documentation section a C program to add any two numbers. Means we can see this documentation section has information about the program, means what is the basic purpose of the program. After this, next after this name of header file. Header file, and this is closing this. We can see hash include left angle bracket and name of file, and after this right angle bracket. So what is the basic purpose of this hash, and what is the use of include, what is the use of this left angle bracket? Preprocessor directive is include the preprocessor directive. This instruct compiler to include all inbuilt library function of this header file with this program. So we can say why we are writing here hash function. What is the basic use of the hash function? Basic use of hash function is it is used to differentiate this particular line from the source code, that this is not a part of the source code. Okay. After this, left angle bracket and name of header file and right angle bracket. Left angle bracket, suppose we are saying this is the header file. This header file contains function of this particular file with this program. So before using this library function, we open this file, we use left angle bracket. So we can say the basic using header files, we require to close header files. So concept you can see here. Suppose you are having a register and you have to write something in your register. So before using the register, at first you have to open your register. After this, you will use, and after completing the task, you will close the register. In same manner here, left angle bracket, open the header file, and after this use functions. After using functions, this header file is closed. That can be used throughout the program. And global declaration, here suppose you want to use this global declaration is required in case of the multiple function when we have to use same kind of variable, then we use global declaration. And fifth one is a main section. This main section, from here main part of the program starts, and this can be written as main and parenthesis and open to this main section. This main section inform compiler now the main program is being start from the here. In this main program we have defined functions and executable codes, and last one is user defined functions. Here user can define own function which type of operation he wants to have mainly 6 parts. Main sections and use